Today's topic, the skeletal system. The skeletal system is the framework of bones and cartilage that support the human body, protect vital organs, allow movements, produce blood cells, and store minerals. It consists of 206 bones in the adult human body, divided into two parts. First one, axial skeletal. Axial skeletals, 80 bones present. Skull, 29 bone present, protect the brain and form of the structure of the face. Form the structure of the face. Vertebral column, 26 bones present, support the body weight and protect the spinal cord. Rib cage, 25 bones present, protect the hearts and lungs. Second is appendicular skeleton. One 126 bones present. Upper limb, arms and hands, 60 bone present. Includes the shoulder blades and collarbones and bones of the arms, wrists and hands. Lower limb, legs and feet, 60 bone present. Includes the pelvis, hip bone and bones of the legs, ankle and feet. The function of skeletal system. The skeletal system uh, function of skeletal system support, provide the body structure and shape. Protection, shield vital organs. Example, the skull protect the brain, the rib cage protect the hearts and lungs. Movement, the bone act lever that muscle pull on the create movement. Blood cell production, red and white blood cell are produced in the bone marrow. Mineral storage, the bone store essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Then the skeletal system work in conjunction with the muscular and nervous system to the enable movement, maintain posture and support overall body function. The skeletal system is a complex structure composed of bones, cartilage, ligaments, and joints that play multiple essential role in the body function and health. Component of the skeletal system. First one is bone, rigid organ that form the skeletal. Bones are the composed of the collagen, a protein that provide flexibility, and minerals like calcium, phosphate, which give strength. Then bone have dense outer layer and posture inner layer uh, that contain bone marrow. Cartilage, the flexible uh, uh, cartilage also support structure like the nose, ear, and trachea. Next one is ligaments, band of fibrous tissue that connect the bones to the other bones, stabilizing and supporting joints. Tendons, the connective tissue that are link muscles to the bones, enable movement. Then joint, area where bones meet and move. Joints can be uh, classified based on their movement. Fixed, immovable joint like those in skull, and a slightly movable joint like those between vertebrae. Then freely movable joint. Synovial joint includes balls and socket, shoulder, then pivot joint. That's all about the the skeletal system. Thank you.